Okay. We should probably do some prizes, right? I mean, what are we not going to? I got some new sea animals over there, including like an orca. Pretty fancy, guys. There's also some fortune cards over there, and I've got some Armor Winner cards right here that I can make for you. So, let's just have one person explain it. Hands up. Come on, be brave. 1, 2, 3, 4. One.
Okay. So if you roll the dice twice, you get 36 options,
Okay.
and then you could get 6 like doubles.
Okay, so 6 out of 36 for those doubles.
And then the sum of 8, there would be 5 options.
Right, we already listed them over here, right?
Yep. And then, like, I just looked at that chart and saw there was a double there, so then you do -1.
Yeah. 1 out of 36 was those double 4s. Okay, and that's the overlap. So what'd you get?
10 over 36, which reduces to 5/18.
5/18. Sure enough. Nice job. Here's a unwinner sign, unless you would prefer a fish. How'd you guys do? Good. All right. Page 2. You know what we could do for the review is we could make it an assignment where I just give you all the problems and then you pick what you want to do, and we just say like how many you have to do out of this many. Would that work better for you? So you can kind of skip around, do what you want. I trust you guys with this stuff. So, example 4. A blood bank catalogs the type of blood, including positive or negative Rh factors given by donors during the last 5 days. By the way, this is pretty accurate as far as like blood type and Rh factors. Anybody know their blood type? Anybody ever given blood in here? Okay, if you've given blood, then they have like a card on you and records on you. So next time you go to give blood, ask them what your blood type is, because they'll tell you like immediately and they'll know. Okay, so just ask. It's a good thing to know if you're in an emergency. All right, the number of donors who gave each type of blood is shown. What's the probability that somebody has a type O or a type A blood? All right, something plus something minus the overlap. Type O blood. How much do you guys know about blood types? Not much. Okay, so you can have type O, type A, type B, type AB. Everybody look up. Type AB is not like a mix of A and B. It is its own thing. Okay, it does have like features of type A blood and type B blood, but it's not like if we ran out of AB blood, if we just pour some A and pour some B and like shake it up like, oh, we got AB blood, we don't. So when you're thinking about overlap, don't think about it in that way. Okay? Positive Rh and negative Rh factor is also something that's in your blood. If you are negative, you can't receive positive blood, but if you're positive, you can receive negative blood. It's like okay to have, it's like imagine that there's like extra fun stuff in your blood if you're positive. And if somebody gives you negative blood, they're just giving you blood without the fun stuff and it's no problem. But if somebody's negative and you give them positive blood, then they have that fun stuff in their blood. And then the negative people are like, whoa, I'm reacting to it because my body doesn't have this extra stuff in it. I'm positive. I am A positive, actually, which is pretty common. I think that I want to say O negative are the universal donors. These are the people right here that can give blood to anybody. And AB positive are the ones that can receive blood from anybody. So if you have AB blood, you could get A blood, you could get B blood. It's not the same as your blood, but you could get it from either of these, and you could get any of the positives or any of the negatives. So these are right here. These are the special people that can get blood from anybody. And these are the special people that can give blood to anybody. My dad happens to be a universal donor, and he gets called at least 3 times a month to come give blood. Not that he goes 3 times a month, because he's also like 73 right now, but like, he used to go about once a month, I'd say, for 30 years.
What's like isn't there a type of blood that like attracts mosquitoes more?
Oh, I do not know about that. Probably mine. Whatever it is. I do know that being female and being heavy attracts like your sweat pheromones. Like if you are a heavy person, you're female, you get more mosquitoes. So I'm already like really down on this list here. So I'm not surprised if my blood has something to do with it too, because mosquitoes love me. I'm very tasty. Okay. So type O blood is 184 out of 409 people in their study. And type A blood is 164 out of 409. Can anybody have type O blood and type A blood at the same time, besides a transfusion? Nope, no overlap. So together, 184 and 164 is 348 out of 409. What do you think? Is that as reduced as we can get? Anybody know? If you don't know, what should you do? Just make it a decimal. It's a lot easier than trying to figure out what goes into what. Find the probability that the donor has type B blood or is Rh negative. All right, B, Rh negative, overlap. B blood, 45 out of 409. How about Rh negative? 65 out of 409. And did we count anybody twice? Yes. If you imagine looking at this, we just talked about type B blood right here and negative blood right here. You see how those 8 people that got caught in the crosshairs, these 8 people just got counted twice, so we subtract 8. So we got 45 plus 65, which is 110, and then minus 8, which is 102 out of 409. Which again, I don't know if that's reduced all the way, so I'm just going to make it